Investigating the effects of exercise on breathing. So, exercise increases the frequency and depth of breathing. This can be investigated by counting the breaths taken during 1 minute at rest and measuring average chest expansions over 5 breaths using a tape measure held around the chest. Exercise for a set of at least 3 minutes. Immediately after exercising, count the breaths taken in 1 minute and measure the average chest expansion over 5 breaths. Now, following exercise, the number of breaths per minute will have increased and the chest expansions will have also increased. So, the frequency and depth of breathing increases when exercising. This is because muscles are working harder and aerobically respiring more, and they need more oxygen to be delivered to them to keep up with the energy demand. Now, if they cannot meet the energy demand, they will respire anaerobically, producing lactic acid. So, there will be oxygen death. Now, after exercising has been finished, the lactic acid that has built up in the muscle needs to be removed as it lowers the pH of cells and can denature enzymes catalyzing the cell reaction. So, it can be removed by combining it with oxygen. Now, this is known as repaying the oxygen debt. Now, this can be tested by seeing how long it takes after exercising for the breathing rate and depth to return to normal. The longer it takes, the more lactic acid produced during exercise and the greater oxygen debt that needs to be repaid.